Here's how you can make ChatGPT your virtual therapist without breaking TOS. If you want to get your thoughts out and want to use ChatGPT as your virtual therapist, this is the way to do it. First of all, go onto your browser and search for ChatGPT. Once you're on the main website, you'll need to log in. It's free, so go ahead and do it. You can also stay logged out, but that way your data won't be saved. Once you're on the main page, you can write a prompt. You can write any prompt just asking ChatGPT to become your therapist. You can even straight away start by saying what you want to say or just write this prompt. Work as a therapist and give me a therapy session on the things I've been dealing with. You can add any details that you want and just click on enter. As you can see, ChatGPT will start asking you questions like how are you feeling? Is there something recent? Are these recurring thoughts? Or so on. Now you can just answer the questions or just start saying what you would say to a real therapist, and it will give you a whole therapy session on your issues. You can also write this prompt. Ask me questions like an actual therapy session and act as a virtual therapist. By this prompt, ChatGPT will actually work as a virtual therapist and it will ask you questions that you can easily answer in order to get through a therapy session. And that is how you can make ChatGPT your own virtual therapist. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.